wrong with you? Why are you touching me?
You are beautiful.
Thank you.
You are looking hot. In fact, you have everything.
Are you alright? Are you mad? Can't you see that I'm married?
Scoop Etenya. Where's your ring?
Look at my ring. It's not this hand. Look at my ring. I'm a married woman.
And you are dressed like this.
Can't I look good for my husband?
You can look good for your husband inside the room.
How's that your business?
This one will attract the unmarried ones like us.
How am I supposed to dress?
Cover yourself. Go to places and enjoy yourself. Please, if you are married, cover yourself and stop distracting us. This is blood we are using. And stop embarrassing yourself.